Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change password on Betfair. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Betfair interface first. And after that, over here we can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this one and scroll down. And over here we can see my details under account details. Simply tap on this one and here we'll be able to see all of our details under about you. Click on edit. Now here we can see we need to enter our username and enter our current password here. Enter the new password and confirm it. After that, we'll get a reset link in our email address. Simply click on that link and reset your password. And after that, simply click on save and your details will be changed. Your password will be changed and saved. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.